stuff. Okay, good morning everyone. This is Nikhil reporting from Hotel Sad, Kolkata. Along with me, Faiz. We're checking out. It's क्या time हुआ? 6:15 in the morning. Slept okay. I mean, I slept like around 1. Woke up. Slept around 1. Woke up at around 5:15. Supposed to leave by 6, but then it's 6:15 and we chalta hai. And behind me, 4-5 subscribers came to meet me. I don't know how you guys find my address. अभी पे करता हूँ and then बाहर जाता हूँ. Everything is mounted as you can see on the bike. Drone is mounted. This is the Faiz's bag. That's my panniers. That's my tank. Basically everything is mounted. I'm all ready, tacked up. Shoes is there. Just need to wear the jacket and gloves and all set to go. These people came to meet me. नाम क्या भाई?
Jishan, Shanton, Srijit.
क्या? Shanton. So I forgot I'm in Kolkata. And they gave me this lovely. Thank you. So sweet of you. मैं बोला अभी लोगों को they are giving me girlfriend वाली फीलिंग. Okay, so it's 6:45 in the morning and हाँ मैं भगाता नहीं. And we are already late. Okay, so thing is that I just felt it. The weight is more towards the right side, the right panniers, because I've mounted Faiz's bag on the back and his bag has more weight on the right side. So probably on the highway I'm gonna experience chota mota problem. Okay, so now we left at 6:45 in the morning. थोड़ा कोलकाता घूम के जाएंगे, मतलब ऑन द वे whatever comes. I didn't got chance to explore Kolkata properly, and also after that I'm gonna refuel. तो हम यहाँ हैं विक्टोरिया मेमोरियल के सामने. हमारी बाइक वहाँ यहाँ खड़ी है. Okay, so we saw the Victoria Memorial. I couldn't go inside because we were already late. But then he told me that it's a nice place. And then Queen used to operate from here. अच्छा. कहाँ जा रहे हैं अभी?
प्रिंसेप घाट दिखा देता हूँ.
ना प्रिंसेप घाट क्या ना बताइए अभी बोला.
अभी on the way है? On the way.
सामने 2 मिनट में.
चलो. So he said he wants to show me Prince of something. I forgot the name. Okay, so if you have not seen the last video, he's my friend Aviru, and he was telling me that you should see Kolkata and go. So he's showing me few places.
प्रिंसेप देख रहे हैं. प्रिंसेप
Oh, Princep.
सेकंड हावड़ा ब्रिज.
James Princep. Oh, this is second Howrah Bridge.
इसको हुगली ब्रिज बोलते हैं. हुगली रिवर के ऊपर है. गैंजेस जब वेस्ट बंगाल में घुसता है उसको गैंजेस नहीं बोलते, उसको हुगली रिवर बोलते हैं.
ओके, तो यहाँ से कोलकाता में एंटर करते हैं.
हाँ, तुम यहीं से उतरे थे ना.
हाँ,
सेकंड इसमें आया था या हावड़ा ब्रिज से?
हावड़ा ब्रिज से आया था.
तो हावड़ा ब्रिज और थोड़ा आगे है.
हाँ,
और ये दोनों पैरेलल है. दोनों ही हुगली रिवर के ऊपर से इधर
कलकत्ता
वेस्ट बंगाल कलकत्ता घुस रहा है. हावड़ा से.
ओके. क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन ऑफ इंडिया एंड ईडन गार्डन बोलते हैं जिसको. That's what they told me. We call it Eden Garden. Nice early morning in Kolkata. It's 7:30 in the morning, guys, and look where the sun is. That's the sun is in 7:30 in Mumbai. In 7:30, sun will be here somewhere.
आगे से राइट लेके हम लोग चलेंगे सेकंड हावड़ा ब्रिज में. हुगली ब्रिज जितना आपको उठाना है यहाँ पे.
ओके, चलो अभी भाई मिल तो नहीं पाएंगे.
नहीं, हम लोग आ रहे कुछ देर तक तो आ रहे हैं.
And now they'll be helping us to connect to the highway. Kolkata is actually a very beautiful city. The roads are really huge, This thing is a race course. In a GoPro camera you can't see it properly, but I can see it. Proper race course. अपने पास भी है भाई महालक्ष्मी रेस कोर्स. हाँ वीरू, बाइक का टोल लगता है 5 rupees. Okay, so 5 rupees per bike toll. नहीं जाएगी वहाँ से, यहाँ से जाएगी. I'll try. गई. Now we have to take this road straight towards Kharagpur, from where we came. But we are not going to enter Kharagpur. We're going to go, just take the highway, and then from there we're going to go all the way to Visakhapatnam. Thank you. मिलते हैं जल्दी. So that was my friend Aviru. Aviru, if you're watching, thanks a lot tour देने के लिए. Really means a lot to me. And sorry I couldn't stop because my friend Fayaz is already gone ahead. Okay, so we have done 76.6 kilometers out of Kolkata, not out of Kolkata, from the hotel. And now we have decided to, have some tea, coffee, or probably breakfast. Bye, take care. Okay, so breakfast nahi kiya, we just had like tea and coffee.
10:43 p.m.
Okay, my Jeep is handy. So we just had tea and coffee, no breakfast. And 240 is I think Bhubaneswar. So according to the Google map, Bhubaneswar is 364 kilometers and I should be reaching in 6 hours. Wow, 6 hours is a lot. Tough. What a beautiful road this is. No potholes, nothing. Only the truck drivers are idiots. They are coming from the wrong way. So what a beautiful road. What a treat to ride on this road. 9:45 and we have done 147 kilometers out of Kolkata. So far so good. Done exactly 200 kilometers out of Kolkata and I have entered Orissa. Yeah, so this is all the Oktra and Naka and all that. I've entered Orissa. I hope the roads are good. The problem is that everybody is coming from the opposite lane. So basically this is like a 2-lane, right? So what people think over here that government has made 2 roads for them, like that side and this side, and they can use both the roads, one for going and one side for coming. That's what they think. I spoke to Debu. He just informed me that that's what they think over here. So that is the reason you have to be very careful if you're riding at this part of the road. I have reached Bhubaneswar and now I have to go to Baramunda in Bhubaneswar. So my subscribers are following me on their bike. So I told them to follow me and come to Baramunda. I have to get my bike washed, lubed and everything. Okay. चिल्लाओगे तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी. I met my subscribers from Bhubaneswar and was not expecting so many people. बहुत मस्ती की, सबकी केस भी ली, अच्छा भी लगा. दे आर जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर मी टू टर्न द कैमरा. नहीं टर्न करता जाओ. ये लो उन्होंने जो
VS Vlogs.
VS Vlogs एक लो और डिसलाइक करो वीडियो. लाइक करो यार, हो सकता है. ये स्क्रीनशॉट लेना तुम, ठीक है? ये चिल्लाओ मत स्क्रीनशॉट के लिए.
ऊपर वो खिड़की पे
ऊपर
देखो. सब शांत. चलो भाई, टेक केयर.
करके आपको बुला लिया.
थैंक यू फॉर श्योर. चलो बाय. बाय. 3:15 हो गए. फर्स्ट रुक फर्स्ट. नाउ वी हैव टू गो दैट साइड एंड गो स्ट्रेट. What a beautiful road. Till now I've done 486 kilometers out of Kolkata. रेट अभी कंपनी का है, पता नहीं. हाँ, टेस्ट कर रहे हैं हम लोग. So just refueled. And you guys must have noticed that I don't get what is the price of the bike and all that mostly. Because the moment you say 15 lakhs, it kind of not really safe, to be very honest. Hard section, lovely. So it's just 5:10 and look at the condition. हम कैसे जाओ? ओहो, ये कोई टोल नाका उल्टा नाका है, अलग गए मेरे. Because of the paniers, I can't even go from left right somewhere. जाने दे मुझे. Oopsie. I think Fayaz has gone ahead, way ahead, because I can't really filter with the panniers on, because if I go in and if someone tries to come out, I should have done that. Oh man. Should I? Whoa, that was a risk. That was a big risk. Oh, this is boring. I'll just ride it over, then I'll get back to you. No, it's raining. So it's drizzling, it's coming and it's going and it's coming and it's going and it's very irritating. Okay guys, so we have been riding since very long and done around what, 800? Yeah. 800, almost 800 kilometers, 700 something. People are checking out the bike. We are in Andhra Pradesh. I think we entered Andhra Pradesh like long time back. That time when I was crossing the truck ka toll naka, that time we entered the Andhra Pradesh. We chai piyenge. So far so very good. Probably right now iska time kya hua 7 something, right? 7:30, 7:40, and expected time of arrival into Visakhapatnam should be around 9:30 or 10. Okay, fuel break. So the Continental GT and the Tiger is almost giving the same mileage. Royal Enfield का आया 700 rupees, Tiger का आया 850 rupees, and that too fully loaded Tiger. So yeah, it's good for the highways. In the cities, the Tiger gives very bad mileage, but that's okay. Highway पे ही चाहिए अपने को. 60 kilometers before Vizag. Okay, so right now I am in Visakhapatnam. I had to switch off my GoPro because it was drizzling. At one point it was raining a lot because I don't want the water to go inside the lens. I entered Visakhapatnam. I met this bunch of nice people. This guy, he also came for my Mumbai party, Hard Rock Cafe party, but unfortunately I couldn't give him much time because I was busy that time. So now we'll talk properly. Might go to that restaurant over there. I can't. Yeah, this Kamath restaurant. We are struggling to find a room. The hotel we thought where we'll go, it's booked, and the hotel where we don't want to go, it's pricey. Not pricey, 2,500, but 2,500 for like 9-10 hours is too much, right? Windy, mic nahi hai isme, आवाज आएगी. So yeah, now let's see what we'll do. Hotel Sea City, and Faiz is here. I'm here. The bike is here. Luckily we got the parking inside the hotel because most of the hotels over here they have the parking outside for the motorcycles, and we got good rates, 1500 for 24 hours is not bad. So if in case you're coming to Visakhapatnam and if you want a decent room, then try it out. Also these guys are still here, just talking to them, and unfortunately fortunately I entered Visakhapatnam in the night. This is Visakhapatnam, right? Okay, or Vizag, whatever. And in the night, we were thinking of leaving for Hyderabad now only. But the moment I saw the beach, I was like, no, I have to see the morning over here. I don't know when I'm gonna come over here, so that is the reason. And having my tea. I know it's a stupid thing to have tea before you sleep, but I'm tired. I'm gonna take bath and I'm gonna sleep. I'm gonna end the video over here. So thank you for watching this video, guys. As always, shukran alaikum, masala, take care, and do whatever you want, my lovely friends. Yeah, I'm not having black coffee. Chalo, ho gaya. Like karke chal raha hai. Okay, so this is the continuation of the same night. This guy, he got something for me, which I am opening. I don't know what is it, but I am trying with one hand. Sorry if it looks bad. For 4 wheels move the body, 2 wheels move the soul. Sai, okay, that's you?
Yes.
Sai Shawan. That's one of my best picture actually, and even this one. Thank you, buddy.
Yeah.
Thank you.